REM is quite straightforward. So it depends on the root. Let's talk about that. So what I have is the same setup that I had for M. The inner, the paragraph with class name inner, the dev, which is outer, and div with the class name of main. In the CSS, I don't have anything as of now, but rem is a relative unit that depends on the HTML tag, which is the root, and also depends on the browser. I'll show in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say dot inner and let's say font size of 2 rem. Okay, so 2 times rem. So this is 16 by default. Okay, I forgot to write that. So 16 px for media. So font size is 2 rem, that is 2 times 16, that is equal to 32 px. I'll just show it. So that is 2 rem. This is easy, don't worry. And as I said, it depends on the root, that is the HTML tag. So root is HTML tag. So I'll say HTML. Okay, it's not a class name, it's a tag. And I'm going to say font size 32 pixels. And now there is a change. It's going to be 32 times 2 because the root is 32 px. It's going to be 64 px, right? And does it actually depend on the outer? Meanwhile, I'll just change it to, let's say, 4 rem. Bigger value, it's going to be still bigger. I'm just going to say font size of, let's say, 6 rem. Is it going to matter? It's not. It only depends on the root. Now, I wanted to talk about the second thing, that is the browser. What do I mean by this? See, we have default setup as 16px, right? This is because the font size is medium. I'll make it large. Can't refresh. Okay, it's large actually. So font size, I'll just remove this because I'm manually setting this to 32px, so it doesn't make sense. So font size is 4 rem. Okay, now let's take this out and let's just inspect. And let me just choose this. It's 4 times rem. And can we see any HTML tag over here? Yes, we can see HTML tag. Let's see, 4 rem. So I have this appearance, and we have medium by default. Okay, I've commented out the rest of the code. I have dot inner. So font size is medium, that means 16px. Now I'll choose very large, and you can see the difference. Let me just get it on the right side. This is small. It's small. It's let me choose large, which is greater than 16px, and very large is still greater. So in total, what happens is it depends on the root, depends on the browser in total.